Hey guys! So there have been some changes. First of all, the beard is gone, which is obviously fantastic. But second of all, and most importantly, Mike is back!
Yay!
Yay! So it's weekend, so we're not gonna have Japanese breakfast or a spruce smoothie, but we're gonna have pancakes this morning. So yeah, but actually we have to take our recycling out as well. And we have to do that before I think like 10 or 11.
So this is the recycling spot. This is where you have the plastic bottles, and you have one for glass and one for cans.
Look at that. So nice. Mike made some coffee.
Looks so yummy.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
So we're on our way to Kurama Station because we're gonna go to
IKEA.
And before IKEA we're gonna go to
Oh yeah, we're going to an outlet shopping
mall.
center.
Yeah.
Which Han discovered while he was
On a conference.
On a conference over there. So I'm gonna check it out.
Yeah, it's probably like 40 minutes by train, so it should be fine. And actually there's some beach as well that we want to check out just quickly before we're gonna go to IKEA. Okay, we're in Kaihin-makuhari at the outlet. Here it is. It's quite nice here. Okay, come look at that. Hello. It's really funny. No?
So weird.
This is the last bit. It's the D side. And we're at the beach. Yeah, there's quite a loud music festival going on there. You see. Woo! We got some lunch, so we're just gonna enjoy it here at the beach here, which is not the most pretty beach I've ever seen, but it should be alright. Woo! What are you having?
Ooh, ginger strong. Apple pie.
Nice. And I'm having a Reuben. This is our nice view. And that's where the party is. You can hear it probably. It's pretty crazy. Where are you going now?
IKEA.
Yes! Let's do this.
Yay, we're at IKEA.
Do you have a list?
Yeah, long list.
Are you hot?
I have no aircon here. It's boiling hot.
We're just at the beginning, so it's gonna be a long day. Okay, we're having some snacks. How are you feeling, Micah?
Super hot.
How are these fries?
It's so good. It tastes like waffle.
It tastes like a vocal in the meat. Yeah. And obviously we got one of these as well.
Well done.
Alright. Are you still hot?
No, I'm
Yes, you
cool.
are. You're still very hot.
Thank you.
The next station is Shin-Urayatsu.
Ooh. Oh, it's too bad. There's the monorail. Wow. It's all dark. Hey, Micah. So we just ordered food here at the old burger stand, which is just around the corner from where we live. And it's a really cool place. It's quite cute actually. So yeah. We're just waiting for our order. Okay, look at this burger. Ah, it looks really good. A really nice burger as well.
Veggie
Ooh.
one.
Alright.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Yummy.
Waren we blij met deze ervaring? Super blij.